Sony's Alpha series has long dominated the mirrorless camera market, but recent shifts in the company's release strategy have sparked both anticipation and confusion. In an unexpected twist, industry insiders confirmed that the Sony A7V, initially slated for an April 2025 launch, has been postponed to late 2025. Here's a closer look at what's driving these changes and what creators can expect from Sony's upcoming releases. The Sony A7V's delay, now expected in late 2025 instead of April, stems from a mix of market strategy and logistical hurdles. Meanwhile, Sony appears to be prioritizing the release of another model, the A7R6. This reshuffling raises questions about Sony's tactical decisions in a competitive landscape. While details on the A7R6 remain sparse, the delay of the A7V and the imminent arrival of the Sony A7S IV, a camera poised to redefine Sony's video-centric lineup, shed light on the brand's evolving priorities. Various sources close to Sony's operations point to distinct factors behind the holdup. A new source suggests Sony is strategically waiting for Canon to announce pricing for its EOS R6 III before finalizing the A7V's market position. By allowing Canon to make the first move, Sony aims to undercut or match its rivals' pricing, ensuring the A7V remains competitive in the mid-range full-frame segment. This calculated delay reflects Sony's awareness of Canon's growing influence, particularly in hybrid photography video markets where the R6 II has gained traction. Other rumor mill paints a bleaker picture, hinting at internal challenges that could push the A7V's release to late autumn 2025 or beyond. While specifics remain unclear, phrases like "depths of Sony" imply manufacturing or supply chain bottlenecks. This aligns with other sources, which highlights ongoing production struggles with the high-end Sony A1 II. Sony's factories reportedly prioritize meeting demand for the Sony A1 II, a flagship model critical to maintaining Sony's reputation among professionals. Until production stabilizes by March or April 2025, resources may remain diverted from the A7V's rollout. For photographers awaiting the A7V, this delay underscores Sony's cautious approach to balancing innovation with operational realities. The move also signals that the A7R6, a higher-resolution sibling, could arrive sooner, potentially capitalizing on the gap left by the Sony A7V's postponement. While the Sony A7V's delay dominates headlines, the Sony A7S IV emerges as the year's most intriguing release. The A7S series, lauded for its low-light mastery and video prowess, has languished without an update since the A7S III's 2020 debut. With competitors like Canon's R5C and Panasonic's S1H gaining ground, Sony can no longer afford to overlook this niche. Here's what the rumor mill suggests about the Sony A7S IV's specs, features, and release timeline. The Sony A7S IV is expected to retain the series' signature 12.1 megapixel resolution, prioritizing pixel size over count to maximize light absorption. However, Sony may integrate a redesigned backside illuminated sensor with improved quantum efficiency, reducing noise in ISO ranges beyond 409,600. Paired with the next-gen Bionz XR processor, the camera could leverage machine learning to enhance real-time noise reduction and dynamic range. Early leaks suggest AI algorithms will optimize exposure and color grading, reducing post-production workloads for videographers. The Sony A7S III's 4K at 120 frames per second recording set a high bar, but the A7S IV is rumored to push further. Speculation points to 6K at 60p and 4K at 240 FPS modes, enabling greater flexibility in cropping and slow-motion workflows. While 6K would demand robust storage solutions, likely CF Express Type B cards, it positions the Sony A7S IV as a formidable tool for indie filmmakers and commercial creators. Additionally, Sony may address long-standing critiques of its color science by introducing warmer tonal profiles and expanded support for custom LUTs, appealing to creators who prioritize in-camera color accuracy. Sony's real-time tracking autofocus, already a benchmark, could see upgrades tailored to video. The Sony A7S IV might adopt the AI-driven subject recognition seen in the A7R V, enhancing eye, face, and object tracking during complex shoots. For handheld filming, improved active stabilization, combining sensor shift mechanics with AI-based motion prediction, could rival external gimbals, a boon for run-and-gun documentarians. The Sony A7S IV's body will likely mirror the A7S III's rugged magnesium alloy build, but with subtle ergonomic tweaks. A deeper grip and repositioned buttons may improve handling during extended shoots. Battery life, a pain point for many mirrorless cameras, could see a 20 to 30% boost thanks to the NP-FZ100's successor, the Z-Type cell. Connectivity upgrades are equally critical. With live streaming now integral to content creation, the Sony A7S IV might debut with 5G support or enhanced Wi-Fi 6E for seamless 4K streaming and cloud uploads. HDMI 2.1. Compatibility would future-proof the camera for 8K external recording, though internal 8K remains unlikely due to thermal constraints. Industry analysts predict a late Q3 2025 launch for the A7S IV, with a price tag of around $4,000, a $500 increase over the A7S III. While steep, this aligns with the camera's specialized video features and Sony's premium positioning. For professionals, the cost may justify gains in low-light performance, stabilization, and workflow efficiency. The A7S IV's urgency stems from Sony's need to reclaim its video crown. Canon's R5C and Nikon's Z9 have eroded Sony's dominance with robust 8K and RAW capabilities, while Blackmagic cinema cameras undercut on price. By focusing on the Sony A7S IV, Sony targets a specific audience: hybrid shooters who demand portability without sacrificing low-light excellence. The A7V's delay, while frustrating for photographers, allows Sony to allocate resources towards shoring up its video segment. Meanwhile, the Sony A7R6's rumored earlier release suggests Sony aims to consolidate its high-resolution stills lineup, possibly integrating lessons from the A12's production challenges. Sony's decision to delay the A7V and prioritize the A7S IV and potentially the A7R6 reflects a nuanced strategy. By addressing immediate gaps in its video offerings and navigating supply chain hurdles, Sony seeks to maintain loyalty among creators while outmaneuvering rivals. For users, the A7S IV represents a compelling upgrade if the rumored specs materialize. Its success will hinge on balancing innovation with accessibility, ensuring Sony remains the go-to brand for creators unwilling to compromise in the dark. As 2025 unfolds, all eyes will be on how these releases reshape the mirrorless landscape, and whether Sony's gamble on timing and technology pays off. So, are you excited for the upcoming Sony A7S IV, or you're going for the Sony A7V? Share with us in the comments. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.